making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, you know I.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video. This video is sponsored by BeautyForeverHair, but I wanted to jump in here really quickly and just say that while I was doing the video, I felt like I wanted to chop off all of my hair because it was so damaged. I've been going through a lot with my natural hair journey, and I just messed up by straightening my hair last December. And so I guess this was just a form of change for me. I'm really happy that I decided to do a U-Part wig so that I could see how my hair acts on its own as far as like being manipulated and stuff. I usually just braid it down and do wigs instead, but like this helped me to figure out what I needed to do, and I just decided to cut everything off. So be sure to go ahead and stay till the end of this video to see my process of me chopping off everything and just me talking about my journey, and also that it's okay to cut your hair and not to keep length. Like that's perfectly fine, guys. Like it's honestly a great change. So yeah, you'll see me try my first U-Part wig and see how I tried to blend my hair texture with that. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So stay tuned. Hope you guys like the video, and yeah. Hey guys, so I got this U-Part wig from BeautyForeverHair, and my task for today is to try my best to blend my natural hair with this wig. And these are two totally different textures. Like mine is super frizzy, it's 4B/4C, but damaged. So I'm going to show you guys my video of me chopping off pretty much all of my hair in the next video, but this is just a lot of damaged hair from when I last straightened my hair back in December. So this is like my last hurrah before I cut everything off, and I'm gonna try to blend it in with this unit, so let's see how this goes.
Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram, I even tried to call.
So I'm using a mixture of the Wetline Extreme Hair Gel, which is only $3 at the grocery store or at Target. It's really cheap. And that's the only thing that gets my hair to honestly go limp. As you can see, I have a lot of damage going on here. But after that, I go in with the Dark and Lovely hair gel. This is like, it's a conditioning gel to make your hair look shiny. And those two products I use together with a spray bottle of water.
Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line.
Even though like my texture clearly does not match this wig, and I feel like also the color might be a little bit off because I have more of like a super black hair color, and then this might be a little bit off black or more like a natural hair color. But I think I have the style that I would most likely be wearing with this wig. And for me, because my hair gets so frizzy easily and because I have high porosity hair, like of course like once it takes in moisture, it's perfect moisturized and it feels healthy, but then once after 30 minutes my hair just gets into a frizzy mess, and I need a ton of like product in my hair for it to be able to just like stay very moisturized. But I do have more of a 4B hair texture. Tightness of my curl pattern, which is different in all areas, could make people think it's, you know, more 4C, 4B. But yeah, I always had looser curls at the top of my head, and that's just how it is. So for this U-Part, it blends in maybe easier because my curls are way less tight at the front. I used a mixture of my Wetline Extreme hair gel with my Edge Wax Extreme Hold, and also a Holy Grail product, which I did not like at first, is my Dark and Lovely Let's Jam Condition and Shine extra hold gel. Don't believe the extra hold. I feel like it does not have it at all. I think it's mostly just more of like a pomade for me. But what I do like about this is if you have hair like mine where it just looks dry all the time, regardless of how much moisture, water you put in it, this stuff, it's like more of like a light, it's not super heavy at all. It honestly makes your hair very moisturized, even when it's like gelled down, so it matches your hair better if you have a U-part. For this, obviously the hair texture has way bigger curls than what I normally have. So for this to kind of match more, I spray it with water, put in the Wetline Extreme hair gel or any gel that I feel like, and then I put in this, which adds a lot of shine to it and just makes it like blend in way nicer. So also my hair, if I leave it, it is going to shrink, and I don't have a lot of hair that's like super long in the front here, so I have to pin everything down for it to stay flat. And I don't mind doing this hairstyle. I like, honestly, hairstyles where the hair is out of my face more. I rarely do hairstyles like this very often. I can just throw this on and just like gel it real quick, put the pins in, and I'm good to go. I think that this honestly took me around 20 minutes to do if I really want to make sure everything is completely laid down. This was literally the best that I could match it to my hair. And the great thing is like it's not super distracting, my hair texture with this wig, because I did pin everything down. So even if I go out and it might not match it the best, at least it's pinned down somewhat and it's not distracting. Yeah, and like there are U-Part wigs out there, you guys, that have way tighter curls. This is just what I got from BeautyForeverHair, but I'm gonna try to rock this for the rest of this week. Have a leave out of like right here, probably like maybe a couple of inches across here, and then I have leave out all along the sides, which I just went in and I, you know, gel down as much as I possibly could. Let me tell you, I had to use so much gel in this hair, but it's also giving my bang area a little bit of a break from having to braid everything down. Beauty Forever did send me a little styling comb or styling brush for my edges. They also sent me a wig cap and also a little thing to tame my edges with. And yeah, and also an eyelash curler. So I'm pretty sure that this is a 14-inch unit that I asked for, but I specifically asked for a middle part because that's usually what I do anyway. It's 14-inch, 200% density. Yeah, the price is $84.44 for a 14-inch. If you did 10 inches, it would be $65, which is great. And there's literally combs in the back, 2 combs in the side, and then 1 comb right here, and then 2 combs right here. I like this. I'm probably gonna go take some pictures for Instagram, and I might leave it on for the rest of today. Okay, so this is where I do my big chop for a second time, and my hair looks so damaged. I had to cut off all the straight pieces the night before because literally my bangs were just messed up. They were straight, and I don't know how that happened. I think honestly, this whole thing was because I straightened my hair back in December of last year, and I just ruined my hair. Like, that's basically what it was, and that was my fault. But I just had so many straight pieces from that, straightening it that one time, and it just ruined my hair, and it was just so inconsistent, and I couldn't deal with it anymore. So I just had to cut everything off. As you can see, the bottom of my hair is a lot healthier than the top portion of it, but I had to make it even. I could not bear seeing my hair look like that. It was just terrible. Like, I also like to wear my hair in natural hairstyles, especially when I'm not filming YouTube videos. I usually do that, and it just didn't look good. It just looked very off. So I know it sucks seeing the bottom being cut off because it was a lot less damage, but I had to just let it go. That's the thing too. Like, I've always had long hair my whole life, so I've dealt with my hair being literally almost to my waist, like back in college and high school, and then I did a big chop then, and then I did another big chop, obviously on my channel that you guys saw years ago, and I was okay with that. And then going back to square one for me is not a big deal because my hair does grow fast, and I'm trying not to hold on to a lot of baggage. Also, within our community, it feels like we're pressured into having long hair, or that longer hair is healthy hair, when honestly, longer hair, no, it does not mean healthy hair. It can be very stringy, very damaged, very thin, and in my case, that's what was happening. I don't think that my hair ever got thin. I just think that it just got limp at the end, and it just was not okay. And also, I don't get trims very often, so like, I don't really cut my hair that much, and I need to do trims more often after this big chop because I want my hair to be healthy. I want it to stay very soft, and after cutting off all of my hair, I saw how juicy my curls actually were. Like, having these long stringy strands like this, my hair just felt rough. Like, look at how much hair I cut off, you guys. Like, that's a lot of hair. My hair is very thick. It's just, I couldn't deal with the inconsistencies with it. So now I have a small afro again, and it looks really cute. It's very uneven, but the more that I take care of it, I will be trimming more of it just so that it is looking good. And that's it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Once I tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So